for this question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of think of it as, well, I know the fact that we've got this y squared as a denominator. I can think of that as 1 over y squared. Why would I do that? Because the reason I would do that is because we know what 1 over y squared is, right? What's 1 over y squared? 1 over y squared is the same as y to the power of negative 2. Is that okay? Is that right? Does that make sense, right? So 1 over y squared is it's y to the power of negative 2. Now we've got this as well, right? This section here, which is kind of looks a bit more confusing here, right? Compared to the other ones we've. But if we think about it, it's just 2 over 3. This is just 2 over 3 times 1 over y squared. How do I know that? Well, if I multiply that, we use the rules of multiplication and fractions. Here, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times y squared is 3y squared. So yeah, I would get 2 over 3y squared, which is this. And so what we're really doing here is actually 2/3 times 1 over y squared. 2/3 times 1 over y squared is the same as 2/3 times y to the power of negative 2, because we've already said that this here is the same as this, right? It's equivalent to y to the power of negative 2. So now we've got 2/3 times y to the power of negative 2, which is equal to, if you think about y over negative 2, it's y to the power of negative 2 over 1. So we're going to use the same rule, 2 times y to the power of negative 2, 3 times 1, and so it's just 2/3 y to the power of negative 2. You can write like that, or you can write 2/3 y to the power of negative 2. That's also fine. Okay, so that's our final answer, 2/3 y to the power of negative 2. And with that in mind, have a go at the other question that we struggled on, which is 1 over 4x to the power of 3, and see if you can answer this question by yourself.